Hi everyone, my name is ECCLISIA. My register number is URK23CS1120. Today we are going to see the experiment 8, which is performance analysis on decision tree classification technique. Let's move on to the question part. The first question is about to use the columns gender, age, and estimated salary as the independent variable. First, we are going to import the pandas library for data manipulation. Then we are going to read the CSV dataset into a data frame. For us, the given dataset is social network. Then we are going to select the gender, age, and estimated salary columns as independent variable. Then we are going to print the values. So we are here we are using the head of command to print the first 5 rows of the data set. Next, the second question is to use the target variable as purchased. When it is yes, it need to denote it as y. When it is no, it need to denote it as n. Here we are just extracting the purchased column to use as the target variable. Then we are printing the values of the y from the purchased column. When it is yes, it is 143, and when it is no, it is 254, 257. Then we are printing the y values. So we are using the head of command. The third question is to encode the categorical value to the target column to numerical values. First, we are just um, in, first we are just initializing a label encoder as LE. Then we are converting gender values to numeric. So when it is male, it is considered as 1. When it is female, it is considered as 0. Then here we are using fit underscore transform. So at next we are going to print the value of x using head of command. Then we are printing the value of y. Uh, the next question is to divide the data into training 75% and testing set as 25%. Here um, we are going to splitting the data into 75 and 25. So we are using uh, testing size, which is 25% is converted into 0.25. Then we are using random state, sets random seeds for reproducibility. So then we are using then we are printing the training set size and the testing set size, and which we are considering the length of the X train and the X test. Then we are printing the output. The next question is to perform the classification with entropy and information gain as decision criteria in decision tree. Here we are going to create a decision tree using entropy or information gain split criterion. So here also we are going to use the random underscore state equal to 42. Then we are going to trains the decision tree classifier using the training set. Then we are going to print the wordings as decision tree trained with the entropy criterion. The next question is to analyze the performance of the classifier with various performance measures such as confusion matrix, accuracy, recall, precision, specificity, a force receiver operating characteristics, curve, and area under curve source. The code is just Here we are just first we are predicting the target values for the test set. Then we are calculating the confusion matrix for TN and TN, TP, FN, FP. Then we are computing the accuracy as ratio of correct predictions. Then we are computing the precision values um, that TP slash TP equal to added equal to FP. Then we are going to compute the recall. Then we need to compute the F1 score. Then we are going to compute the ROC curve values and the AUC score values too. Then we are going to print the values of the find it question. Then uh, here's the printed value, which is confusion matrix and the accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 scores and the AUC score. Then we are going to next question is display the constructed decision tree. C can learn dot t tree dot plot underscore tree method. Using the plot method, we are going to draw the tree decision tree. So we are using first we are using the um, uh, create create a plot figure of specified size, which size we need to. So we are going to specify using the figure. Then we are going to draw the decision tree structure with features names. Using these names, we are going to draw a tree. So yeah, next we are using the title to display the title of the uh, diagram. Then we need to show using the show of command to display the output. At At the last, we are going to, the question is print the tree with maximum depth as 357 and tabulate the various TP, TN, accuracy, F4s, and AUC scored obtained. We need to fill up the tabular column. So we are going to first set paths, which is none and 3 and 5, 7. Then we are going to uh, initialize a empty list. Then we are using the for loop. It illustrates over each depth value. Then um, we are going to create decision tree with specific maximum depth, and we are going to trains the classifier for each depth. Y predict is to predict the test set tables. Then CM is to get confusion matrix for TP and TN. Then uh, AC, ACC is to compute accuracy for each depth, and F4 is for to compute the F1 source value. Then FPR and TPR is to calculate the FPR and our TPR value for the AUC. Then AUC score is to compute the AUC score. Then TP equal to CM of 1 comma 1 is and 0 comma 0 is to get the TP and the TN value from the confusion matrix. Then we are using append to store the result in the list, and we are going to print the uh, values columns, that is maximum depth value and TPTN accuracy F source and the AUC source. Then at the last we are going to print it. Here is the filled tablet column. Thank you.